Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a luxury sedan that continues to redefine comfort, innovation, and performance in the mid-size segment. Mercedes has always been a benchmark in the luxury game, but with the 2026 E-Class, they've raised the bar yet again. At first glance, the exterior is unmistakably Mercedes, sleek, elegant, and refined. But look closer, and you'll notice the subtleties that make the 2026 model stand out. The new E-Class sports a more aerodynamic silhouette, with smooth, flowing lines and a grille that subtly nods to the brand's electric EC lineup. The headlights are slimmer, sharper, and more integrated into the front fascia, giving the car a focused, high-tech presence. Around back, the taillights are redesigned and connected by a slim light bar, adding to its futuristic appeal. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a tech lounge than a car interior. The most eye-catching feature, the optional Superscreen, a massive digital display that stretches across the dashboard, integrating the instrument cluster, infotainment, and passenger screen into one seamless panel. Everything is controlled through Mercedes' latest Box system, which now supports AI-driven personalization. It learns your preferences over time, from seat position and climate to your favorite playlists and driving style. Comfort is, as always, top tier. Mercedes has focused on acoustic refinement, making the E-Class one of the quietest cabins in its class. High-quality materials like wood, leather, and brushed aluminum are used throughout, and even the ambient lighting has been upgraded to offer more color options and dynamic effects. Rear seat passengers get plenty of legroom, and optional rear entertainment screens add to the luxury experience. Under the hood, the 2026 E-Class comes with a range of mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The base model features a turbocharged four-cylinder with an integrated starter generator, delivering smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. Higher trims offer a turbo inline-six with EcoBoost, offering impressive performance without compromising comfort. All engines are paired with Mercedes 9G-tronic automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts. On the road, the E-Class is as refined as ever. Whether you're cruising down the highway or weaving through city traffic, the ride is smooth, balanced, and composed. Optional air suspension makes potholes and road imperfections practically disappear, and the available rear axle steering adds agility in tight spaces. Safety tech has also taken a leap forward. Mercedes' latest driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic lane changes, and a new feature that can detect and respond to oncoming vehicles when turning across traffic. The car is constantly monitoring the road and its surroundings, making every drive feel more secure. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class doesn't scream for attention, it turns it quietly, through intelligent design, cutting-edge technology, and the kind of craftsmanship that only Mercedes can deliver. For those who want a luxury sedan that's both futuristic and familiar, this E-Class is a perfect fit. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this look at the new E-Class, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what car you'd like to see next.